Can't decide between AvaTrade and Pepperstone. Let's break it down and find the right fit for your trading style. Hi, I'm Andy Roberts from FXEmpire.com. We've reviewed countless brokers over the years, so we've got pretty good at spotting what matters, especially the red flags most traders miss. Pepperstone and AvaTrade are both big names in the trading world, but they're built for different kinds of traders. So we've spent hours testing both platforms, digging into everything from trust and fees to tools and trading experience. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how they compare, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which broker fits your trading style best. Let's get into it. Let's start with a big one, trust. Which broker feels more reliable? AvaTrade has been around since 2006 and is based in Ireland. It pretty much checks all the boxes for a safe broker. Licensed by 7 regulators, including 3 top-tier ones: the Australian ASIC, the Central Bank of Ireland, and Japan's FSA. The broker offers key safeguards like segregated client funds and negative balance protection. But they also go a step further with tools like AvaProtect and a client categorization system which helps protect newer traders. Plus, they've got a best execution policy to make sure that you're getting the most accurate prices. Pepperstone came along 4 years later in 2010 and is based in Melbourne. It's regulated by 7 authorities too, and 4 of them are Tier 1, including ASIC, the UK's FCA, CySEC, and Germany's BaFin. That's a strong indicator of trust. They stick to the highest industry standards, from keeping your money in secure segregated accounts at major banks to being fully transparent with pricing. Plus, their no-dealing desk model means your trades go straight to the market with no broker interference. Prices come directly from top-tier liquidity providers, so you're getting the best available rates the moment your order's executed. So here's the bottom line. Both brokers are strongly regulated and meet high safety standards. Pepperstone has a slight edge thanks to its broader Tier 1 coverage and no-dealing desk setup, great for traders who care about execution quality and transparency. But if built-in risk tools and extra protection matter more to you, AvaTrade is a solid choice. Next up, let's talk about fees. AvaTrade keeps things simple with a single retail account. No commissions, just spreads starting from 0.9 pips. There's also an Islamic account option with no swap charges. And for more advanced traders, there's a professional account, but you'll need to qualify for it. It comes with higher leverage and fewer trading restrictions. We tested the spreads on AvaTrade's standard account, and overall they were competitive. You can see the full results in the table on screen. The spreads were lower than average across most markets, except crypto. Swap fees were impressively low, which makes it a good option for both day and long-term traders. Plus, there are no fees for deposits or withdrawals. But there is one downside, a pretty steep inactivity fee. If you don't trade for 3 months, you'll be charged $50 every month until you reactivate your account. So all in all, AvaTrade's pricing is affordable and works well for both high frequency and longer term trading. It supports a wide range of strategies, including scalping, hedging, and automated trading. Now over to Pepperstone. They offer 2 main accounts, Standard and Razor. The Standard account is beginner friendly, no commissions, and you can trade micro lots. The Razor account is better suited for experienced traders. It offers raw spreads from 0.0 pips and a $3 commission per lot per side, $6 round trip, which is typical for raw spread accounts. In our tests, Pepperstone spreads were consistently below average, and in many cases better than AvaTrade's. That includes minor forex pairs, gold, indices, and even crypto. Swap fees were about average, and there are no extra charges for deposits, withdrawals, or inactivity. They also offer a pro account with leverage up to 1 to 500, but you'll also need to qualify for it. So which pricing model works better for you? If you prefer simplicity, AvaTrade's all-in-one no-commission account with low swap fees is a great fit. It works well for day traders, swing traders, and those using strategies like scalping, hedging, or automation. Pepperstone's Razor account is better suited for active and experienced traders who want the lowest possible spreads, especially in forex, gold, indices, and crypto. And with no hidden fees or inactivity charges, it's ideal if you're trading frequently and looking to minimize costs. Now let's compare the trading platforms and tools. AvaTrade really shines here. You get access to 7 platforms including MetaTrader 4 and 5, Ava Options for options trading, WebTrader for browser-based access, and 2 social trading platforms, Ava Social and DupliTrade. WebTrader is particularly strong for technical traders who like to analyze price action. The charts are clean and responsive, making it easier to zoom into even the smallest price movements. We also liked AvaTrade's mobile app. It's lightweight, intuitive, and helps you stay on top of market news and trends. Extras like Guardian Angel, VPS hosting, and automated trading tools round out a strong platform suite. Pepperstone also offers a robust lineup: MT4, MT5, CTrader, TradingView, and Pepperstone trading platform. TradingView is great for beginners or casual traders thanks to its user-friendly charts and layout. CTrader, on the other hand, is a favorite among advanced or algorithmic traders who need precision and speed. Pepperstone clients get free access to AutoChartist, a tool that highlights key chart patterns and support/resistance zones, great for saving time on technical analysis. Like AvaTrade, Pepperstone supports VPS hosting, but where it really stands out is execution speed. Trades are processed in about 30 milliseconds with no dealing desk interference and direct access to multiple liquidity providers. AvaTrade's a solid pick if you're newer to trading, want a range of platforms, or like the idea of social and options trading. The mobile app's great too, especially if you trade on the go. Pepperstone may be better if you're more experienced. The fast execution, advanced charting, and algo tools really stand out. Finally, what can you actually trade with each broker? AvaTrade offers around 840 tradable instruments. That includes 50 free Forex pairs, 34 indices, 603 share CFDs, 19 commodities, 19 cryptocurrencies, 59 ETFs, 2 bonds, and 64 Forex options. It is a solid mix, especially if you're interested in niche markets or options. Pepperstone gives you access to over 1,350 CFD instruments. That covers more than 1,000 stocks, around 90 Forex pairs, plus indices, commodities, and ETFs. One thing that really stands out is the stock offering. You can trade over 1,000 share CFDs, and 116 of the most popular ones are available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. So if your strategy includes niche markets or options, AvaTrade is a good match. But if you want a broader variety and round-the-clock stock trading, Pepperstone comes out ahead. Quick summary. Now that we've seen what both brokers offer, let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with AvaTrade. AvaTrade really shines when it comes to platforms. You've got a great selection including Ava Options for options trading and DupliTrade for copy trading. They've also developed unique tools like Guardian Angel and Ava Protect, great for managing risk. Social and copy trading are strong here, and they offer low swap rates plus no deposit or withdrawal fees. Education is another plus. You'll find plenty of tutorials and learning materials, especially helpful if you're just starting out. Now, what about the downsides? Only one retail account type, so flexibility is limited. Spreads can be a bit high on certain assets, especially crypto, and there's no raw spread account for tighter pricing. Now over to Pepperstone. First up, the spreads and fees. They're some of the lowest around with ultra tight spreads and fast execution under 30 milliseconds. You also get no dealing desk interference, which helps with transparency and order quality. Platform choice is strong too. MT4, MT5, CTrader, and TradingView are all supported. Plus, they've developed their own custom Pepperstone trading platform. Pepperstone also offers a wide range of instruments, over 1,350 CFDs, including a big stock selection. And like AvaTrade, their education and research tools are excellent. What about the cons? There's no support for options trading, unlike with AvaTrade. The swap fees are just average, not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind. So Pepperstone or AvaTrade, which one's right for you? If you're looking for a flexible platform lineup, strong educational tools, and features like social or options trading, AvaTrade is a well-rounded choice, especially if you're just getting started or want a more guided experience. But if you prioritize low spreads, lightning-fast execution, and a bigger selection of CFDs, Pepperstone is hard to beat, especially for active traders and technical chartists. In the end, it all depends on what matters most to you: pricing, tools, regulation, or your trading style. Still not sure? Try both demo accounts and see which one feels better for your workflow. You'll find the best sign-up links in the description below. Just click to get started with the top offer in your region. And if this helped, give us a like and drop a comment to let us know which broker you'd go with.